you're looking for a new medical molder, you should be looking for somebody that's got the horsepower and the facilities that can make the products that you're looking for. We mold parts that a lot of people don't want to mold. We go after difficult parts, engineered resins.
Our clean room's a Class 8, 100,000 clean room. We're 13485 certified.
Our customers, many of them have that. They're also looking for their vendors to have that as well. That gives them a greater sense of comfort relative to our documentation and certification.
When it comes to medical parts, we may not be the cheapest, but we're the best because we have the quality systems in place.
At Infinity Molding, we have a trusted reputation, and our PPMs are stellar in the industry.
Many of our customers have 0 ppm with our products.
And how we do that, adding automation, tooling expertise, processing knowledge.
I love that we have Midwestern values, we care about our customers, we care about our vendors.
We classify ourselves as a relatively small injection molder with a lot of technical expertise.
We're a high precision injection molder for the medical industry.